like that.
Okay, we got pictures of John's partial sled here with Jeff. And there we're going to get John with the bloody head. And we'll get a picture of the motor back here. And they wanted to let everybody know that they've been clean and sober for about 25 years, and this had nothing to do with this.
Perfect.
And I was not involved, so... Anyway, this is the aftermath of the rain and the windstorm. And they've got most of the wood. Well, they got maybe a third of it started here. There's a lot of wood here. So that's the story from Tualatin Falls, just outside of Willamette. See you later.